Hello, this is Dosanjh with CipherCloud Professional Services. I'm delighted to share another session of the Friday Chalk Talk. Today we're going to cover ServiceNOW and two use cases that our customers wanted enabled for data protection for their cloud application. The first use case I'd like to share with you is file attachments. We had a customer in the East Coast that wanted to protect some of this information going to the cloud, and they wanted our CipherCloud Gateway to do encryption of those file attachments. They started out with their default Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and things of that nature, and started to extend that to other files. So here what I've depicted is a user within their enterprise domain, and that person sends a file attachment destined to ServiceNOW in the cloud. We actually have a CipherCloud platform that will intercept that request and actually encrypt that file. And then we send an encrypted version of that file attachment and we place it within the appropriate form within ServiceNOW. So this was one of our earliest use cases for ServiceNOW, and we have this in production for over a year and a half. What we then did was extend that use case to other forms and other dependencies on those file attachments. So anybody that came in and wanted to view that file, they would actually then be able to request that file, we would decrypt it on our platform, and then that end user could do their follow-on activity. So that is one use case using the CipherCloud platform for file attachments within the ServiceNOW cloud application. The second use case for the ServiceNOW cloud application was a customer in Europe or the European Union that wanted to have data protection for their fields within the ServiceNOW application. So it follows a similar workflow where an end user would enter field level information, whether it's device, some other internet or intranet information associated with that environment. And they would enter that into the form. It would go through the CipherCloud Gateway. We would actually encrypt it and then put the encrypted value in the ServiceNOW application in the cloud. If a user wanted to view that, a similar workflow would ensue. The protected encrypted version of that field would come down to our platform. We would decrypt it and send it in the clear to that end user. They would then go on and do their additional processing. So we enable this for a customer in the European Union, and they have a combination of where they could do field level encryption and data protection, as well as file level encryption and data protection. So those are two use cases that are enabled through our CipherCloud platform, both here in North America and in the European Union. Thank you.